Are you using SigmaNest or ProNest or any other nesting software? Do you have a bunch of designs that you need to save in the computer so you can then load them into your nesting software and cut them out? Well, with the Logic Trace system, all I have to do is place the pattern on the tracing board and trace it with the pen stylus, and then I can save a great DXF file for loading into any nesting software, including ProNest and SigmaNest. Doing these two circles here. There's the first one, there's the second one. It looks great. Let's save it and cut a bunch of them out.